How it's going? Happy to see you guys back here. My name is Corey Norris, and thanks for checking out my channel, Direct Pay Marketing. Want to jump right into it. If you want a way to learn how to attract customers to your business opportunity, or even build a business online that will help you attract the perfect customer to you without having to chase friends and family, then I'm glad you're here. Stay to the end. If you like what you've learned here today, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down in the bottom, and we'll go right over into it. With the Infinity Processing System, this is another update. There's some changes going on in the background with Infinity Processing System. All new training, up-to-date training that will help you in today's market, not yesterday's market. So that's an awesome thing that's going on with Infinity Processing System. What it is an attraction marketing course. It teaches you how to post pre-written ads on social media and use social media to gain a following that will in terms start to know, like, and trust you, and that will be more willing to buy your products, whatever it is that you offer or promote. Or with the resale rights that they give you, you can offer and promote the course as a whole business to get started in the online world. It's been put together by a multiple six-figure earner, Adriana Vegas. She's put this together with all her knowledge and training and things that she do that help her make money online. So I don't jump right into it. I'm going to take you over to the proof group because I want you to see that those who took in the training are seeing success using the system. Not just a few days ago, Ron Porter says my day-to-day with IPS 600 US October 9th, October 9th, October 9th, October 9th. Within one day he made $3,000 with this system using the training in the background. um and I'll show you here in a comment that people are asking him, where are you getting these leads from? And he says Facebook. If we go over to Ron's Facebook profile, you'll see that he has his Facebook set up for success, so that way he can start gaining leads and using the strategies that's in the background of IPS to promote the opportunity and his other businesses that he have going on with Infinity Processing System as a whole, and his other offers that he offers. So I'm going to show you over here in the training. They have the Facebook marketing intro, so you'll know how to get started with Facebook, how to structure everything, and what it takes to start marketing this opportunity or any other opportunity you have with your ongoing promotions, or even business, brick and mortar. You can use this training to elevate your own businesses and opportunities. You don't have to use this training to actually sell the course, but they do give you resellers right and the opportunity to sell this as a whole. So again, optimizing your profile for success. And as we showed you here, Ron actually went through and optimized his profile for success using this training in the background. Setting up your profile bonus video, where Adriana goes into detail and structure on how and what your Facebook profile should look like, so that way you can start attracting the perfect customers. The power of sharing your story, because your story is so powerful. People can be able to relate with you. Like me, I come from a manufacturer home company background where I worked every day as a skilled labor, building homes, doing drywall, hanging cabinets, doing laminate floors, construction in the manufacturing plant. Learning these things and putting them to use has allowed me to be able to spend more time with my family. Me getting sick, I've come down with rheumatoid arthritis, so I can no longer grab that hammer. You guys are wearing a glove today. I couldn't hold the sheetrock, and then figuring out that I have a autoimmune system disease to where I'm always sick. So learning these skills have helped me be able to start generating an income to help my spouse take care of bills and stuff. So they give you how to generate massive traffic content for free Facebook traffic, giving your audience what they want. So it's totally, and it's not just for Facebook. If you like doing Craigslist where you don't have to be on camera, you don't want to be into Facebook, you do Craigslist. They have Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, where I've learned how to set up my YouTube channel. I'm presenting this to you now by going through the YouTube automation. TikTok marketing, because TikTok is blown up over the years. You guys, anybody know social media, you know TikTok. So how to market and set and automate your business with a six-figure system, where she show you how you can automate all this so it's running for you in the back office in the background 24/7, so you can have more time freedom with your family and loved ones. I'll go over into what the products are and how you can get started with Infinity Processing System. I do have my link in the bottom of the description if you want to go over and check that out and get started with me and Infinity Processing System. I am running a bonus for anybody joining at the $300 level. I'm going to pay for target clicks to your opportunity. And anybody join with me in general, I have a Facebook community that I like to welcome you to, so that way you get ongoing guidance and I can continue to help you set up your system or answer any questions that you have, so that you don't feel left behind. You have that total complete guidance with me. For anybody who wants to get joined with this, how to get started and how it works, you'll follow the 3 steps to start marketing and making 100% commissions. You'll join one of the levels and we'll go over that. You'll join one of the levels, get access to your products, step-by-step training, show you exactly where and how to start posting pre-written ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer and start collecting 100% daily commissions. Now, how does it work? Here, we'll go over just real quick. In the website, you can read this and go over it really good to understand more. Infinity Processing is this simple step-by-step process for marketing automation, making automated commissions each day that creates a life-changing income online using pre-written high converting ads. Here you go. Sorry, my baby down here, she wanted me to change the thing for her. I'm at home parent, and this is what I like doing. It gives me time with her. So yeah, you're gonna create. We'll go down over into the products. I'm gonna close this screen here. So you have the influencing brand marketing, the intro to automatic secrets, and the 6-figure blueprint. Now, when you get started, you'll pick one of the levels. The most sought out level is the pro level, where you can make $300 commissions and earn all the way across the board with all 3 levels. So whatever product level you come in at, that's the commission you'll be able to earn. So if you come in at a $50 level, you'll only be able to earn $50. It's a one-time payment, no monthly fees. The $150, you'll be able to earn the $50. And if you come in at $300, you'll be able to earn the $50 and the $150 plus the $300. They do have a $39 admin website fee, so that's to get, the fee is really to give you the resellers right, so you can start making commissions with this opportunity, or again, to use this training to be able to promote your other opportunities, or a brick and mortar, or whatever business that you have that you need to attract more clients to your business. You can use this training. What you'll get is 200 pre-written ads, 60 bonus imaging ads, 100 pre-written ads, 30 marketing ads, and 20 bonus imaging ads. At the 300 level, you're going to get 7-day action plan, so that way you're not lost and you know where to go. You got complete guidance on what you should be doing every day to market your business, closing scripts, Facebook groups, the marketing strategy, Craigslist strategy, and TikTok marketing strategy. So I have the link in the bottom of the description if you guys want to get started with Infinity Processing System. I have my Facebook contact down there too if you want to reach out to me and learn and know more about the Infinity Processing System. I'll be happy to help you guys, and I'm going to wrap it up with that. And I'll see you guys on the inside.